Airport check-in. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Paris.
All right. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure.
All right. Your bag weighs 21 kilos.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. The limit is 23 kilos.
Great.
Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, I did.
Are there any restricted items inside, such as liquids, batteries, or sharp objects?
No, there aren't.
Perfect. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, just this shoulder bag.
That's fine. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Let me check. Yes, I can do that for you.
Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass. Boarding starts at 10:30 at gate 24.
Okay.
The flight departs at 11:10. Please arrive at the gate on time.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here's your passport back. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a good day.
At the pharmacy.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription.
Sure. May I see the prescription, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me take a look. Okay, this is for antibiotics. Have you taken this medicine before?
No, this is my first time.
All right. This antibiotic is called amoxicillin. It's used to treat infections.
Okay.
Do you have any allergies to medicine, especially antibiotics?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good to know. You'll need to take one capsule 3 times a day after meals.
3 times a day after meals. Got it.
Please make sure you finish all the medicine, even if you start to feel better.
Okay, I will. Are there any side effects?
Some people may feel a little sick to their stomach or feel tired. If you feel very uncomfortable, please stop taking it and see a doctor.
All right.
Also, don't drink alcohol while taking this medicine.
Okay, no alcohol.
Let me prepare this for you. It'll just take a moment.
Sure.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you.
Let me confirm your order. 1 prescription of amoxicillin, 21 capsules in total. 1 capsule 3 times a day. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Do you have insurance?
Yes, I do. Here's my card.
Thank you. After insurance, your total is $12.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
No problem. Here's your receipt and your medicine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to come back or call us.
I will. Thanks again.
Take care.
You too.
Renting a car.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our car rental desk. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to rent a car.
Of course. May I see your driver's license and passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you looking for a small car or something bigger?
A small car is fine. It's just for city driving.
All right. How long will you need the car?
For 3 days.
Okay, we have a compact car available. It's fuel efficient and easy to drive.
That sounds good.
Would you like automatic or manual?
Automatic, please.
No problem. Do you need a GPS or a child seat?
No thanks. I'll use my phone for navigation.
All right. The total price is $60 per day.
Okay. Does that include insurance?
Basic insurance is included. You can add full coverage if you like.
How much is the full coverage?
It's $15 per day.
I think I'll take it, just to be safe.
Good choice. Please sign here.
All right.
Great. Here are your keys.
Thank you.
Your car is parked in row C, space 21.
Got it. Row C, space 21.
You'll need to return the car with a full tank.
No problem.
If you have any issues, our phone number is on the key tag.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and drive safely.
I will. Have a great day.
You too.
Asking for direction.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Sorry to bother you. I'm a little lost.
No problem. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the post office.
The post office? Okay, let me think for a second.
Sure.
You're actually not far. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Oh, that's good to hear.
First, go straight down this street.
Straight ahead?
Yes, straight ahead for 2 blocks.
2 blocks. Okay.
Then you'll see a traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Right. After that, keep walking for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Got it.
You'll pass a small park on your right. The post office is just across from the park.
Across from the park?
Yes, it's a white building with a blue sign. You can't miss it.
That sounds easy enough. Is it near a bus stop?
Yes, actually. There's a bus stop right in front of it.
Perfect. That really helps.
No problem at all.
Just to make sure I go straight, 2 blocks, turn left at the traffic light, then walk 5 minutes and it's across from the park.
Exactly. You got it.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Ordering pizza by phone. Thank you for calling Tony's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Sure. What would you like?
Let me see. I think I'll get 1 large pizza,
Okay. What kind of pizza?
a large pepperoni. Actually, can I do half pepperoni and half mushroom?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. And the crust, what kinds do you have?
We have regular, thin crust, and stuffed crust.
I'll go with regular crust.
All right?
Oh, and can I add extra cheese?
Of course.
Perfect.
Would you like anything else today?
Maybe some garlic bread.
1 order of garlic bread?
Yes, please. How big is it?
It comes with 6 pieces.
That's fine. It's for 2 people.
Okay, let me repeat your order to make sure it's correct. 1 large pizza, half pepperoni and half mushroom, regular crust with extra cheese, and 1 order of garlic bread. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Can I have your address, please?
Yes, it's 245 Maple Street, apartment 3B.
Got it. Is there a gate code?
No, but please call me when you arrive. Sometimes the door is locked.
No problem. And can I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 555-0138.
Thank you.
How long will the delivery take?
About 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay, that works. And how much is it altogether?
That will be $22.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay when the driver arrives.
Great.
All right, your order is confirmed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for calling. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. At the garden market. Good morning. Take your time and have a look.
Thank you. These tomatoes look really nice.
We picked them early this morning. You can see how red they are.
Yes, they look very fresh. I think I'll take some tomatoes.
Of course. How much would you like?
About half a kilo, please.
No problem. They're sweet and great for salads.
Perfect. I want to make something light for dinner.
That's a good choice then. Here you are.
Thank you. I already have some carrots and lettuce here.
I see. Are you cooking for yourself or for family?
Just for myself. I like simple meals.
Simple is good. Fresh vegetables don't need much.
That's true. Oh, I also need some potatoes.
They're right here. These are very good for boiling or salads.
I want to make potato salad. Which ones do you recommend?
These smaller ones, they stay firm when you cook them.
That's exactly what I need. My potatoes always get too soft.
Then these are perfect for you. How much would you like?
1 kilo, please.
All right. So that's half a kilo of tomatoes and 1 kilo of potatoes.
Yes, that's everything for today.
That will be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Thanks for the advice.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
You too.
Office lunch chat.
This actually looks pretty good today. What are you having?
Salad and some chicken. I didn't want anything too heavy.
Same. I'm just having salad today.
Looks healthy. Do you usually eat like this at lunch?
Most days, yeah. If I eat too much, I get really sleepy.
I know exactly what you mean. Heavy lunch equals slow afternoon.
Do you usually eat out, or do you cook at home?
A bit of both. I cook at home a few times a week.
That's nice. What do you usually make?
Nothing fancy. Simple stuff like chicken, eggs, or stir-fry.
That sounds good enough to me. I cook too, but not every day.
Yeah, after work it's hard sometimes. Do you cook more on weekends?
Definitely. I try to prepare something for a couple of days.
That's smart. What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Most days, yes. Usually something simple.
Like what?
Toast, yogurt, or oatmeal. Sometimes just coffee if I'm in a rush.
Same here. I can't skip coffee, but I sometimes skip food.
I try not to, but it happens.
Do you ever bring lunch from home?
Yeah, sometimes. Especially when I don't feel like buying lunch.
What do you usually bring?
A sandwich and some fruit. Maybe an apple or a banana.
That's pretty much what I bring too. Easy and light.
Exactly. And it saves some money.
True. So how's work been for you lately?
A bit busy, honestly. Lots of small tasks.
Same here. Nothing too difficult, just a lot of things to finish.
At least lunch gives us a short break.
Yeah, it helps reset the day a little.
All right. I should finish eating. Back to work soon.
Same. Good luck with the rest of the afternoon.
You too. See you later.
Meeting a new neighbor.
Hi.
Hi there. Welcome. Are you moving in today?
Yes, I am. I just moved here this morning.
Nice to meet you. I'm your neighbor. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. I'm Anna.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Anna.
Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly here.
Yes, it's a quiet and friendly place.
That's good to hear. I was a little nervous.
Don't worry. People here are very helpful.
That's great. I have a lot of boxes to unpack.
I can see that. Do you need any help?
Oh, that's very kind of you.
No problem at all.
Maybe later. I don't want to bother you.
It's okay. Just let me know.
Thank you so much. By the way, how long have you lived here?
About 5 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I really like this area.
Is there a grocery store nearby?
Yes, there is one just around the corner.
That's perfect. I need to buy some food later.
There's also a cafe and a small park nearby.
That sounds nice. I love cafes.
Me too. The coffee there is pretty good.
Maybe I'll check it out tomorrow.
Good idea.
Well, I should get back to unpacking.
Sure, take your time.
Thanks again, Alex. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Welcome again.
See you around.
See you. Dog walk in the park.
It's such a nice morning today. The weather is finally perfect for a walk.
Yeah, not too hot, not too cold, and the dogs seem really happy.
Look at them. They get excited the moment we step outside.
Yeah, mine pulls on the leash the whole time.
Same here. She always wants to walk faster than me.
How often do you walk your dog?
Twice a day, usually. Once in the morning and once in the evening.
That's pretty good. I try to do the same, but sometimes work gets in the way.
Yeah, I know that feeling. But if I skip a walk, she won't let me forget it.
Dogs are very good at reminding us. They just look at you like, you promised.
Exactly. And they stand by the door with the leash.
By the way, how old is your dog?
She's almost 3, still full of energy.
Mine just turned 5. He's calmer now, but he still loves long walks.
Walking really helps them relax. They sleep so well after this.
And honestly, it's good for us too. I feel less stressed after a walk.
Same here. It really clears my mind.
Oh, wait, he wants to stop and sniff again.
That's normal. This is how they learn what's going on.
Dog news of the day.
Do you usually come to this park?
Yeah, a few times a week. It's quiet and not too crowded.
I like it for the same reason, and there's plenty of space for the dogs.
Looks like they're getting along pretty well.
Yeah, that's a good sign. Maybe we'll see each other here again.
I'd like that. Same time tomorrow?
Sounds good. The dogs would definitely agree.
Running into an old friend.
Oh, hey. Wait. Is that you, Emma?
Oh my God, hi, Anna. Wow, I almost didn't recognize you.
I know. It's been so long. How are you?
I'm good. Really good, actually. I just didn't expect to see you here.
Same here. I didn't even know you lived around here now.
Yeah, I moved here about 6 months ago. What about you?
I work nearby now, so I'm around almost every day.
That's nice. I was just grabbing a coffee before heading home.
I can tell. Still living on coffee, I guess?
Some habits never change. What about you? What are you up to these days?
Just finished work. It's been a pretty long day.
I know that feeling. Work has been non-stop lately.
Yeah. By the way, are you still doing the same kind of work?
Not exactly. I'm at a small company downtown now. It's not perfect, but I actually enjoy it.
That's great. You sound happy.
I am. And you look really good, too.
Thanks. I changed jobs last year. It was scary at first, but it turned out to be the right move.
I'm really glad to hear that. We've both changed a lot, haven't we?
Yeah, but it's nice running into someone from the past.
It really is. We should catch up properly sometime, not just a quick chat on the street.
Definitely. Maybe coffee next week?
I'd love that. Let me check my schedule and get back to you.
Sure. We'll text and figure it out.
Perfect. I'm really glad we ran into each other today.
Me too. This actually made my day.
All right, I should get going now. But let's not wait another few years this time.
Deal. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Take care.